What if a single aircraft could launch 100 drones at once? China is about to do just that. The country is preparing to test a new military platform that could change modern warfare, the Jiu Tian. Its name translates to high sky or nine heavens. This is no ordinary drone. It's a high altitude, long range unmanned aircraft that acts as a flying mothership for drone swarms. Jiutian is designed to launch over 100 small drones in one mission. These include loitering munitions and kamikaze UAVs. Once airborne, these drones can coordinate attacks, jam radar, or destroy infrastructure together. That means one launch could overwhelm enemy defenses using saturation tactics. This is a leap forward in drone swarm warfare. Jiutian is a fifth generation high altitude long endurance drone, also called HALE. It weighs 16 tons, has a wingspan of 25 meters, can carry up to 6 tons of payload, and it can fly up to 7,000 kilometers without refueling. That's about 4,350 miles. Its maximum altitude 15,000 meters or 50,000 feet. That high up, it flies above most radar systems. That gives it stealth and survivability. It has 8 external hardpoints. These can carry surveillance drones, kamikaze UAVs, cruise missiles, and medium range air to air missiles like the PL 12E. Inside, the aircraft has a modular design. That means it can be quickly reconfigured for different missions, military strikes, border patrol, public security, disaster response, even high risk logistics transport. What sets Jiutian apart is its swarm launching ability. A video on Chinese state media shows dozens of micro UAVs being ejected from both sides of the fuselage. These drones can fly autonomously or semi autonomously, sharing data, coordinating attacks, and confusing enemy defenses. This is not just about one drone hitting one target. This is coordinated swarm warfare now becoming central to global military strategies. The drone's test flight expected in June is part of China's broader military acceleration that includes developing a sixth generation fighter jet, testing new naval assets, and upgrading missile systems. China is pushing for an integrated multi domain military force, and unmanned aerial systems are at the center of that plan. Drone warfare is reshaping battlefields. In Ukraine, FPV drones have caused major damage to Russian armor. Jiutian isn't being built by a state run enterprise, it's developed by a private company called Jiutian, but it's working with state backed firms like Xianjida and the Aviation Industry Corporation of China. This signals a new trend. Beijing is tapping into commercial innovation to fuel military advances. The drone's prototype was revealed in 2024. Its test flight is planned for mid 2025. That's a fast tracked timeline, and it shows how serious China is about integrating private sector tech into its defense strategy.